Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so getting started with my eyeshadow, I've already primed my lids. Now I'm gonna move on with this palette here from Macaria, Siempre, Viva, and I'm gonna be using the color Licha. Okay, voy a estar utilizando la sombra en el color Licha, este de aquí. Okay, I'm gonna be using this one and I'm gonna apply it to my crease. Me lo voy a aplicar en mi cuenca. Alright guys, moving on with my eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying the color Maria from the same palette, which is this color right here. I'll be applying that on my upper crease, okay? Voy a estar usando este color, el color Maria, y me lo voy a aplicar arribita del color Licha, okay? So, aplicándolo aquí, okay. And same thing with this side, okay. I'm gonna apply the color Maria. Aplicando el color Maria, okay. Voy a estar utilizando esta otra paleta de Macaria y voy a estar usando el color turquesa, okay. I'm going to be applying this other eyeshadow called turquesa, and I'll be applying that to the outer corner of my eye. Applying the color turquesa, and I'm going to be applying it here to the outer edge, outer corner of my eye, okay. Aplicando el color turquesa aquí, okay. Moving on, I'm going to be using the same palette, but this time I'll be using this color right here, okay. Vamos a estar usando este color de aquí y me lo voy a poner en mi párpado, okay. I'll be applying this to my lid, okay, just like so. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with this other eye, okay. So applying and tapping that into my lid, okay, just like so. Moving on, so I'll be using the same palette, but I'll be using this color right here, and I'm going to be applying it on top of the color Jaspe, okay. So voy a estar usando este color y me lo voy a aplicar en mi párpado arriba del color Jaspe. So I'm going to be applying it on top of this other color just to give it more pigment and to give it that pop, okay. Okay, continuando con el color Perla, okay, I'm going to be using the color Perla from the same palette, and I'm going to be applying that to my tear duct, okay. Me lo voy a aplicar en mi lagrimal, así, y lo mismo en el otro ojo, okay. Aquí, aplicando el color Licha. Okay, I'm going to be applying the color Maria, okay, and I'm going to be applying that under Licha. Okay, just like so. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye. Okay, guys, so I am applying my lashes, and these are from J Lash in the number 46. Okay, aplicando mis pestañas y son de J Lash en el número 46. I'm applying the L'Oreal eyeliner in my waterline, aplicando el delineador de L'Oreal en mi línea de agua. Okay, y voy a hacer lo mismo con mi otro ojo. Okay, doing the same thing with my other eye. Okay, y vamos a continuar. I'm gonna continue with my setting powder. Okay, voy a continuar con mi polvo translúcido. Okay, y voy a estar usando el de Maybelline. Okay, este de aquí. I'm going to be using this translucent powder from Mink. Okay, and I'm going to apply some here. Here. Down my nose. My forehead. Okay, and on my chin. Okay. Voy a aplicar mi bronceador aquí en mi mejilla. Okay, applying my bronzer in the hollows of my cheek. Okay, blending that in. Okay, up to the temples, the forehead, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so aplicándolo aquí en mi mejilla, en mi sien y en mi frente. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove all the excess powder from my face. Okay, just like so. Moving on with my blush, I'm going to be using the one from Covergirl, and it's in the number 590. Okay, voy a continuar con mi rubor y voy a estar usando el de Covergirl en el número 590. Okay, me lo voy a aplicar aquí. Okay, I'm going to be applying it and tapping that in, pressing that into the skin in the apple of my cheeks. Okay, on with my highlighter, I'm going to be using this palette here from Okalan, and I'm going to be using the color Glimmer. Okay, so aplicando mi iluminador. Okay, aplicándolo ahí, un poquito aquí. Down my nose. Okay. My Cupid's bow. Alright guys, moving on, I'm gonna go in with this lipstick right here. Okay, voy a estar utilizando este labial. No sé el nombre o la compañía que lo hace, pero les dejo la información en mi caja de description. Okay, I will leave the info on this lipstick on my description box. Okay, y también me voy a aplicar este. Okay, I'm gonna be applying this lipstick as well. Alright guys, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah.